We did it again, people. Another pork tenderloin. Smithfield put these on sale for the 4th of July. God bless America. $5 for this pork tenderloin. We're going to cut into this, and you know when we do pork, we do pineapple. Check out the roasted corn we did still in the shuck. That's going to be great when we put some butter and salt on here. I cannot wait to cut into this juicy thing. Stick around and see how we do it. Hear that sizzle. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, she's a beaut. Rest. Take a nap, sleeping beauty. Showtime. Moment of truth. Perfect, meaty, juicy. This was the moment the vegan came home to being a carnivore once again. Another home run, baby.